Hey you guys, Silvia here and welcome all to my Lead Siphon System review by the one and only Dave Espino. Very good vendor, I like Dave a lot. Okay, I love his integrity, I love the quality of the training courses he creates, and he comes up with ingenious ideas indeed. And in this training course called Lead Siphon System, he will teach you about a method of making money online and generating fresh leads for free and contacting those leads without having to use an autoresponder. I mean targeted leads, okay, that you can nurture, you can provide value for, you can promote your own products, affiliate products too, and so on and so forth. Okay, you know the drill. I hope so. Well, if you don't, you will learn from this training course tons. It's called, again, Lead Siphon System. I have just completed watching the training course. I'll show you the modules you'll have here. Okay, so again, created by Dave Espino, a very experienced internet marketer. So, yeah, let's go and let's click on the first video. And that's gonna be around... Okay, that's Dave talking. That's gonna be around LinkedIn. As you can see, LinkedIn newsletter, right? So I'm not gonna hide this information from you. This is sort of the trick, but not the only one. There's more ways, secret ways. They will be secret to many. Okay. I mean, if you do it, you do it. You know the method, right? But the way he creates newsletters is quite interesting, okay? I mean, I have known of this method myself, but hey-ho, I have been in the trenches for 4 years, have reviewed close to 1,000 digital product reviews on my channel, so I've been there, done it, got the t-shirts, making sales myself, so I know of various methods, but this one I stick to personally as well. I'll show you the proof. And as I was going through this training course, I thought of a very valuable bonus that I can give you guys if you pick up this product via the link below my review. I mean, I've got quite a few bonuses, but this bonus in particular, custom made by me, I use it all the time myself to create my LinkedIn newsletters. And I also elaborate on why LinkedIn newsletters, so stay for that, okay? So I use the prompt myself. I've got it here. It's a very special prompt that I have learned of from both Mark Bishop and Kevin Foley. Again, you know, all of the courses, the products I review, I go thoroughly through from A to Z. So I should be creating really my own courses. I don't know why I'm not doing that. I'll switch into launching products soon, but I'm just enjoying reviewing products. It's just fun. Okay, for now. So much information in this head already. So that's great. And yeah, guys, so the link to my written review, as you can see, I've jotted it down nicely for you. It's structured in such a way to introduce you to what the product is all about the vendor, benefits of it, okay? And I really share a lot of information. I reveal a lot of information because this is just my nature, that I want my audience to be informed, okay? And I want you guys to understand what it is that you're getting yourself into, in a way, okay? Maybe it's not the smartest thing to do, but, you know, I believe that's just my approach, okay? You know, treat others as you'd want to be treated. You know, guys, personally, it's about building trust, right? So trust is the most powerful selling factor. And if you trust me that I'm telling you the truth and I'm delivering value, would you not buy from me? I would buy from a person I trust. So, and that I have learned from, and, you know, is genuine. So, yeah. Okay, I kind of got carried away, but here are the funnel details, guys. There's a few upsells that I'll point out to you that, in my humble opinion, are really, really worth considering. So yeah, these are my bonuses, and I will add another bonus, these ChatGPT prompts that I use to create my own newsletters in such a way. Okay, let's go to my LinkedIn page. Okay, I've got a newsletter. I like it a lot. It's about digital product reviews. So, this and much more you will be learning from Dave's course. I'll show you the members area in a sec. But you want to create a nice picture. It takes minutes to set up, trust me, and takes minutes also to create newsletters the way Dave shows you. So I've already got some subscribers, and the cool thing about LinkedIn newsletters is, again, you will be sending connection invitations and, accepting people requests, connection requests as well. Okay. And now the cool thing about, like, whenever your connection request gets accepted, if you have a newsletter set up, your newsletter, LinkedIn lets those connections know about your newsletter, and it goes straight into the email inbox. Straight into the inbox. This is a crazy thing. So you don't even have to have an autoresponder set up, okay, to get into people's email. Imagine people's inbox, personal inbox, right? So this is the cool thing. And then obviously you would be aiming to connect with people in your niche. And again, if you set up your newsletters in a clever way, aiming for, again, target audience, providing both value, but also promoting. In my opinion, you want to mix, okay? It can be around any niche, okay? So let's leave that open. Okay. Then another point I wanted to make is that LinkedIn posts in general, if you go to, let's go to home, okay? Let's go to the feed, the main one. You'd write the article, right? And you see, so this is where you write. And once you click next, you publish, and then voila. Let me tell you something very, very important. LinkedIn articles, LinkedIn posts rank really well, okay? Because LinkedIn has a very high domain authority. In fact, it's got 100 out of 100. So very often, if you say do product reviews, and then as we go next, you will add some hashtags. So hashtag the product name review, and some additional related hashtags to it, to your content, then, the chances are you will start ranking rather sooner than later, okay? It will take a bit to warm up your LinkedIn profile, but, it's the so-called, they call it parasite traffic, like Medium as well, okay? But one thing that you need to be sort of careful about, LinkedIn is not as strict as Medium. Like, my Medium account got suspended because I hyperlinked some text with my raw affiliate links. This is something you want to avoid. And probably with LinkedIn as well, even though I'll tell you the truth. I've been creating newsletters, hyperlinking with my raw affiliate links, and my LinkedIn page is still alive. And kicking. But a smart thing to do, and this is something I'll give you as a bonus, okay? Let's go to my profile again and my newsletter, and I'm going to show you what I'll give you access to. So as we go to my newsletter, let me find a newsletter that I know I hyperlinked with a free report, and I used Google Docs to write this report. So it's probably this one, MDA traffic, and the Kevin Foley's $1 Million Warrior. Okay, let's open this one up. So I use ChatGPT. Okay, I'll give you a prompt to create such reviews as well. I'll give you access to my personal prompt, okay, which is right here. Check it out. This is the prompt. But the prompt is structured in such a way that it creates the free report here. So you see here at the end of my LinkedIn newsletter, which is essentially a review of this product by Kevin Foley, right? I hyperlink here, grab your free report. And this is clever. It's going to redirect people to my report that is hosted on Google Docs. You're not paying for it, right? It's free. And the Google Docs is, the free report has been created by ChatGPT, again, using my prompt that, I have created personally. And it is hyperlinked. And this here in the free report actually leads people to my affiliate link. So that's clever, that's smart. You may want to do that too. So again, it's only one of the bonuses. I'll give you access to my personal prompt, this one here, that you can use to first create the free report and then also the review. Okay, both. Right, that's that. Now let me finally show you like more in detail what the members area will look like. So yeah, so the introduction first, then complete and continue. Next one will be, and you'll have some PDFs as well, okay? Free benefits of LinkedIn newsletters. So again, it's your free autoresponder. The connections get notified straight away about your newsletter. They can sign up, okay? It ranks very well, so whatever you post will rank on Google. And there's another one that I'm sort of forgetting, but Dave talks about it here. So under the video, you also have access to the PDF, which is great. And okay, and then we'll have also additional, you see the time. You see the length of the videos, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 3.5, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, the longest one is around 12 minutes, how to create the LinkedIn newsletter. So you also have modules on some newsletter, success stories, getting set up and inviting new subscribers, how to create a newsletter summary, the subscriber burst, and Dave's real results, so like a case study, choosing your newsletter format. That's a very good video too. And monetizing your newsletter. So ideas on how to monetize. But to be honest, when it comes to monetizing, there's a very, very good upsell. So let's go back to my written review. Let's go through the funnel now, okay? Now the front end of this offer is, let me just double check that. Where was it? $17. Okay, so it's 10 video tutorials. Okay, and then we'll have like an inline offer, a trial for, let me just double check in Warrior Plus, a trial. So $1 for the first 3 days and then $19.19 a month. So it's an inline offer. The one I really like is Advanced Lead Siphon Strategy. It's free to paid methods that Dave will be talking about. It's 47. I like this upsell a lot. It sounds like a great one. Then this one is probably very helpful too. Could be done for you high ticket affiliate programs, because LinkedIn is full of people who are well loaded, educated, business savvy, into making money. So it would not be that much of a challenge to sell high-ticket offers to those leads, especially if you're providing value with your newsletters. It's possible. Okay, next upsell live. So this one is only 27. Q&A Zoom session with Dave for 47. That's great. You'll get a chance to ask any questions you want to Dave. He's the internet marketing legend. So, good stuff. Right, next level lead siphon strategy for 27. So additional strategies on how to squeeze this method of making money online like a lemon. And then next up is ongoing coaching. This one 27, right? The previous one. Moving on, ongoing coaching with Dave has been ongoing. Okay, for 97. And then there will be an upsell on YouTube. It's sort of like a high-ticket training course. It's all around making money with YouTube. If you're into that, you may want to consider. It's a comprehensive masterclass training program. Okay, and then YouTube Sales Machine. I believe you can. It's like a split payment plan. Yeah, two 2-payment plan. So it's essentially this upsell, but into installments. But okay, well, you would save up money if you went for the one-time payment, but there's an option of 2 payments too. Okay guys, so that's that. Again, go check out that review, my written review below in the description box. If that's for you, click any of the so-called call to action buttons. They're gonna redirect you to the sales page. This product is going live anytime now, probably in an hour or so. Yeah, 10 a.m. New York time in 59 minutes. So click here to join, and that's how you purchase. And remember, you're getting some very valuable bonuses from me as well, okay? If that's for you and you want to purchase from me. See you soon. Ciao!